This week, we pick up a new toy and then take Mom out for a stroll down the Intercoastal. Stay tuned!
Alright, we're almost there. Alright, it should be this place right here. It looks like I see it all set up already. It's right here. See, they got the awning extended out and everything. There it is. Well, here we are. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'll help you somehow.
Oh yeah, you're waiting on us to get here. I'm Robert, that's Apple.
Robert, nice to meet you. Rick.
Rick, nice to meet you.
How's it going, guys?
good.
Yeah, go check it out. They can put the awning out. It's got it plugged in.
Come on in, check it out. It's really clean, nice. There's no odor. I was concerned about cloth seating and everything's clean. Very minimal wear for the 5 years old. There's our starboard side galley. Everything's like practically new. And she's gonna look gorgeous once I'm done with her. You're not gonna recognize it. You could fit 2 people, right? On each side.
Yeah.
Nice, lots of storage, just like a boat, you know? You lift every cushion, there's gonna be space for more storage. Oh, there, you can access it this way with the cabinets. Fantastic. I mean, there's little minor things, but no big deal.
Yeah.
What are those? Cable and like the audio
TV
video.
connection.
Yeah, there's a TV mount. There's the bedroom. Here's the bedroom. Okay, so we got a bunk. It's a full size on the bottom and a regular little twin.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, on the top. They're just foam mattresses on plywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know.
It's good for a kid or something like that, right?
Yeah, I'm sure we can get a thin, full mattress to fit in here in place of this little bit of foam. And it'll come up a little higher, but you know, it'll be more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, because I am not sleeping on this. Here's a little closet. There's the head. It's kind of spacious. I know you're what, 6 foot something.
Yeah.
That was always your complaint.
Yeah. Huh, I can fit in the shower without bumping my head.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Or a little tub.
Now the new model of this,
It's a Thetford.
yeah, they moved this door just moves to that edge right here.
Yeah, because you got your sink for outside the potty.
Yeah. So we were looking online, and just the new model, all they do is they put a door across here somehow. So
But they make the sink more of a corner piece instead of a full.
yeah.
Oh look, another TV mount
Yeah. Oh.
and speakers.
Yeah.
Nothing looks like it's leaking.
Yeah.
No water intrusion.
No.
It's solar ready.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just one of those.
So you have solar panels and then you put a controller inside. All right. Oh, there's the sink cover.
That awning looks good, doesn't it?
It looks great.
U.S. Patriot Act. You are not a wanted terrorist. Get this one. Get it closer on this one. Make sure we got it.
Just signed all the paperwork and she's ours. Let's go outside and take her home. Do we ring it like we're at a Harley dealership?
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta have everyone honk their horn and, you know. Alright, so we just went ahead and filled up the gas tank and we're heading back across Alligator Alley right now. She tows pretty well. We don't have a weight and sway on here yet, so it's just on the ball. Keeping it around 60 miles an hour. Feels nice and comfortable. We're fixing a pretty big rainstorm up here, it looks like. So we're super excited to get her home. Where should we go camping first? Look at that, it's pouring right ahead of us. Let's see how she pulls through the rain. Hopefully pretty good. So my mom just paid us a surprise visit this afternoon, so we're gonna take her on a little cruise up the Intercoastal. Just go motor around a little bit. That'll be fun.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. This might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far. To an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.